Yes.
So why do we say that slavery is a waste of time? Why can't we accept that that is an alternative way of life?
Because you are free. Because you are free. Howsoever much you may want, you cannot become a slave, ironically. All slavery that we have been talking of is actually in your thoughts. Freedom is your nature. You are free. So that's why it's a wastage. For a free man to think and behave as if he is a slave is a wastage. You are free. If at this moment, if you can listen and understand, you are free. There is no holding you, stopping you. Your freedom is your intelligence. If you can understand, that is freedom. Are you getting it?